Good afternoon, everyone, excellencies, honorable dear brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, selamat siang, mabuhay. So, just like the MC said just now, I'm from to attend this meeting. Thank you very much, Reverend, for inviting us here. It's such a great honor. I arrived in Macau last night to attend the 24th Southeast Asian Food Carnival. And I was also just shown the showcasing of a lot of cultures and ethnicities in Macau since last night. It was very heartwarming to be such an event. Like our father said just now, humans were born to be migrants. And these days, the world has become even more borderless. Even easier to transfer from one place to another. For Indonesian in Macau itself, we have around 7,000 Indonesian in Macau. 71% of them currently are migrant workers. So we know there are a lot of difficulties they're facing far away from home. So I am part of the government and I will admit that it's not so much that we can do for them while they're away from home. The ones closer to them are you actually, more than us. Even probably more than their family. So at this occasion, I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation and gratitude, not only from me, from the government of Indonesia as well, from the people and everyone, from their family back home. Thank you very much. Indonesia will always be committed to enhance our cooperation with everyone, with Macau, with Hong Kong, with Filipinos community here, everyone, to enhance protections on the migrant workers. Thank you very much once again. God bless you all.
Thank you, Principal Marathi, for your great message. Please remain on stage after me. Father Henry would like to present a token of appreciation.
Thank you very much. Also, you traveled from Hong Kong to Macau just to be with us, and we are honored of your presence. And I know that the Indonesian community is so proud and so blessed that you are one with them on this celebration. So indeed, it's an honor for all the migrants to have our consul generals present here. So in behalf of all the migrants here, we would like to convey to you our heartfelt thanks for your inspiring message and your presence. More than enough to say you care for us. Thank you very much.
Now, for our next